Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. In the previous video, we had discussed about phylum Vertebrata. In this video, we are going to discuss about class Cyclostomata, which belongs to Agnatha, which means jaws are absent. The word Cyclostomata comes from two words. Cyclo means round, stomata means mouth. So these animals have a rounded mouth. These animals have a round mouth. Habitat: these animals are mostly marine and found as ectoparasites on larger fishes. Body shape is usually cylindrical. They have a round mouth. There are no jaws. Scales are absent. Fins are present, but fins are unpaired. Fins are unpaired. In cases of fishes which belong to Pisces, the fins are paired. In cyclostomes, the fins are unpaired. They have 6 to 15 pairs of pharyngeal gill slits for respiration. Now, cranium and vertebral column are both present, made up of cartilage, and bones are absent. There are no bones in the body. Circulation is of closed type, that is, blood flows inside blood vessels. Heart is two-chambered. There is one auricle and there is one ventricle. So it is also known as venous heart. Reproduction: they are mostly dioecious, that is, they are unisexual. Fertilization is external, and they show a special type of movement known as anadromous movement. Anadromous movement means adults, which are mostly marine, move to freshwater. They lay eggs and die in a few days. Now eggs will hatch. They will develop into adults and they will move back to marine water. So the adults which live in marine water, they will move to fresh water. They will lay eggs and they will die in a few days. Then eggs will hatch. They will develop into adults and they will move back into marine water. This type of movement is known as anadromous movement, and it is seen in cyclostomes. Larva is absent except in case of petromyzon. We see a larva known as ammocoete larva. Ammocoete larva is the connecting link. Between cephalochordates and cyclostomata. For excretion and osmoregulation, protonephric or mesonephric kidneys are present. Protonephric kidneys mean a primitive type of kidney. Mesonephric, metanephric means latest type of kidneys that is present in human beings. that is advanced type of kidney, and mesonephric is a type of kidney which lies between protonephric and metanephric kidneys. So these organisms, these animals show protonephric or mesonephric type of kidneys. Now coming on to examples, we have petromyzon, which is also known as lamprey. This is a picture of petromyzon. You can see the gill slits, you can see the round mouth, and you can see that these fins are not paired, which is why these animals are sometimes also referred to as false fishes. Cyclostomes are also referred to as false fishes. Next we have myxine, which is also known as hagfish. With this we finish off class Cyclostomata. See you in next video.